y'all know that Poe is awesome and astounding and astonishing and all those, and that's just some of the A words. But this year, we are also exemplary. Woo, woo. That means we got a really good state report card.
At Poe, learning is fun, it's rigorous, and it's hands-on, and it's relevant. And it sets you up for success. Students, let's give a big round of applause to all of our teachers and principals in this room, please.
I came to tell you a secret. What does the word excellence mean?
Well, having excellence is having success about what you're working on.
Success about what you're working on, yes.
Like better than average.
Better, how much better? How much better than average?
A lot.
A lot, thank you. The secret has something to do with excellence and teachers. The Milken Educator Award goes to Comfort Agboola.
One of the most important things about being in a predominantly black school is that we don't always have our story told. And training students to be able to be the storytellers is super important to me.
There is no other place where you can make a difference in the life of kids and future generations like you can in a classroom. It's a great place, it's a great job to have where you can make a difference. So that's why we need more celebrations like this. We should be doing this every day across districts everywhere.
There are other professions that do amazing things, but right now I'm guiding students towards their dreams.
As you know, there's no greater investment in our future than our children. And I don't want to take a lot of time. I just want to say thank you all so much. Congratulations to you. Congratulations to Poe.
Listen to this, Mom.
Everybody, congratulations!